Have you ever tried to share a sweet treat with your cat, only to watch them turn up their nose? Turns out, there's a scientific reason for that. Today, we are diving into the strange world of failing taste buds and exploring why cats might be the only mammals who can't taste sweetness. The ability to taste sweetness actually relies on two proteins which are created by two different genes. But here's the catch: cats are missing those base pairs of amino acids that form the DNA of that gene. Without these pairs, their taste buds simply can't process sweet flavors the way we do. So while they might taste something when they nibble on sweets, it's nothing like what we experience. In fact, according to research, cats are seemingly alone among the mammals group with this evolutionary point. But don't feel too bad for them just yet. We'll get into why this in a moment. Joe Brand, a biochemist and associate director at the Montreal Chemical Center, calls this difference lucky because, and get this, cats really have bad teeth as it is, so maybe it's a good thing they are not crazy about sweets. But wait, what about those stories of cats eating cookies, marshmallows, or other sugary snacks? What's really going on there? According to research, cats might be more attracted to the fat content in these foods rather than the sugar. They are also drawn to foods with animal protein, strong smells, or anything warm, just like freshly caught prey. So it's not that they love sweets, it's more about the other qualities that those foods might have. Before you start feeling too bad for our kid or kitties, there's something else they can taste that we can't. Adenosine triphosphate or ATP. This compound provides energy for living cells and it's a flavor that cats are equipped to detect. So while we are over here enjoying chocolate, they have got their own unique taste experience. So there you have it. Cats may be missing out on the joy of sweets, but they have got their own little chances that make their taste buds just as fascinating as ours. And honestly, it might be for the best. With their already picky teeth, avoiding sugar might be a blessing in disguise. If you found this week into the science of failing taste buds interesting, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Thanks for watching.